Hi everyone, welcome to Nikite Academy. We are learning Oracle SQL in this series. In our today's session, we are going to learn about analytical function. This analytical function is very much used in our real-time projects. We do have rank, tens rank, row number, lead and lag functions. If you haven't watched our previous session, please watch the previous sessions. I have posted 9 sessions. You can check the descriptions and you can practice it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll be getting all the notifications. Without wasting your time, let us begin our session. Analytical functions are window functions in Oracle. So we do have 5 different functions. Window functions are available in Oracle. So one is rank, another one is tens rank, row number, lead, and lag function. So what is this rank? So yesterday we have seen highest salaried employee we have taken out of, say in front of you 1,000 employees are standing. We have to call only one employee who is getting highest salary. Then only one record you will get it. But each department I want to take. Yes, you can go for group by department ID. You can take the name or you can take the salary and you can pass it to the outer query. We can take it, right? Subquery only we can take. But if I want to take top 2 salaried employee, top 5 salaried employee, okay, least 2 salaried employee. In that way, if they are asking questions, so nth highest salary. That way, if they are asking interview questions or you are getting some real-time questions in this way, then this is the way we have to take. So if you see this under one senior manager, so there are 2 different managers, and under one manager we have some 5 representatives. So each and every representative, this is the targeted amount they're earning. And if you consider each and every representative, this is the individual amount. And if you combine all this, then you have to go for manager. If you combine all this, then it is a manager 2. If you combine these 2, we'll go for this one, right? We will use this one, the keyword called over, right? So we will use the keyword called over here to get this kind of details. Okay, so now we'll go to the rank. So what is rank, dense rank, all this? So these questions definitely they will ask in interview. So if I have salary value or any values, even if I have something like this way. So if you see the data like this way, okay, transactional date. So we have transaction ID. So each transaction we are doing transaction ID based on the account number, the name, and everything. Okay, balance amount. Just for explanation, I have taken this way. And we will not maintain account number. We will not maintain the account information and balance in the same table. Okay, but just I have mentioned here for this particular date, this particular transaction ID, this particular account number, name. So they have credited or debited the amount and balance amount. I have to take top 5 balanced account, or I have to take latest 5 transaction for each account. Okay, latest 5 transaction for each account. So some account they have done transaction today, yesterday, or day before yesterday, 6 months before, or any time, right? So I have to take for irrespective of account, I have to take for all the accounts. For each account, I have to take latest 5 transactions. So in this way, if I'm going with, then you have to do the same way. Rank only we have to go with. So after completing the rank, you can able to answer these questions. Okay, so what is rank? So yeah, assume that there are employees are getting salary. 17 employees are getting salary here in this way. So one employee is getting 50,000, one employee is getting 40,000, one employee getting 20,000. This way, the employees are getting salary, right? Yes. So I want to do the ranking based on the salary. We can do the rank in different way. One is highest to least or least to highest. So this time I'm going with highest to least. The first, so if I want to do a rank on any column, so definitely I have to go for order by class. So in this case, I'm making the order by class on salary here. Okay, order by salary here. I'm making that order by salary descending order. So 70,000, 60,000, 50,000, 45,000. So 2 members are getting same salary, 40,000, 40,000. Then 38,000, 35,000, 2 members, 34,000, 32,000. So 20,000, there are 3 members are getting. So how can I do the ranking? So rank means we'll go for first highest salary will be ranked as 1. Next highest will be 2. Next highest will be 3. Next highest will be 4 and 5 and 5. So why it is 5 and 5? 2 members are getting same cell, right? So 5 and 5 here. Then I will go for 7. The rank will get skipped. Why it is 7? So these 2 members are getting the same salary, right? So 5 and 5. Then this particular employee will have the salary like 7 here. So why it is 7? 5, 6, 7. So in that way, how we will do the rank on our school days, right? Same way here also we will do the rank. Okay. Then we will go for 8 and 8. Then this will be 10. Right? 10, 11, then 12, 12. Okay. So 12, 12, 12. And we can go for 15. Why it is 15? 12, 13, 14. So this will be 15. Then 16, 17. So how many members are there in the table? So 17 members. So we will get 17 rank. If last one is not, it is not a tie, then definitely we'll get number of how many number of records we have, the number of rank, we will get it. Okay. So what is dense rank? So dense rank is yes, a similar way we will do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5. But next will be 6. So next will be 6 only. Here the consecutive rank will be assigned 6, then 7, 7, right? See 5 and 5. Next will be 6 for this. 7 and 7. Next will be 8. Okay. So 9. And so we'll go for 10, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So here consecutive rank will be assigned here. Rank will be assigned in this way. Based on the scenario, we have to go for rank or we have to go for dense rank. Okay. So for an example here, if it is 1, 1, 3, then this will be a, so what is that? It's a dense rank or rank. 1, 1, 3 will be a rank. So we'll go for rank. So 1, 1, 2. So 1, 1 and 2. So if I'm going to do this way, this is called dense rank. Okay. So sometimes they will ask in the interview the questions this way. So here row number. So row number is nothing but you'll get row number. So for each and every record, if I want to identify uniquely, then row number I can give. So this is one function. It is not row number. We will do like row number, right? So this is row underscore number. So this is different actually, but same concept. If I want to assign a row number for each and every record based on the salary or any column, then we will go for the row number column. Okay, so rank, dense rank, row number. So I hope you are clear. So how we will do the rank, dense rank, row number, all this. Okay, so when will you go for rank? When will you go for dense rank? So for an example, I have ranked all the employees. So in front of you, there are 1,000 employees are standing. You have ranked it based on their salary, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want only 10 employees. That's it. You want only top 10 employees, not more than 10 employees. Okay. So you have to take 10 employees from here. Then I can go for from here. I can take 10 employees alone. Then I can go for rank 10 unique salaried employee, 10 unique salaried employee salary. So this is first unique salary, second unique salary, third unique salary, fourth unique salary, fifth unique salary. There might be a 10 members also, right? So 10 unique salaried employee, then you will go for dense rank. Row number, yes. Say for an example, if I have the same value, if I want to assign, okay, different number for each record, then I can go for dense rank. Yeah, this is what we will do this. Okay, rank and dense rank. So how can I do the ranking? It's very simple. So it's very simple. Rank of, this is the keyword, okay? Syntax. Rank of over keyword. Over, within the rank, you have to make order by class. So which order by class you have to go for? So whatever the order by ranking column. If you see this, see this, I have given here. Rank of over order by ranking column, ascending or descending. So that's what you have to give here. Order by which column? A ranking column. So order by ranking column. Here, if it is salary, then salary column. So descending means highest to least. Ascending means like least to highest value. It will get ranked. So this is the way we have to make. Okay. So as I have mentioned, you in front of you, there are 1,000 employees are standing. Okay. So each and every members are getting salary. So they are from different departments. They are from different departments. So you'll have the department ID 10, 20, 30, 40. So these 4 departments, they are working. So this employee is from 20th department, this employee from 30th department, this employee from 10th department. If you see this, then I want to rank based on the department ID. Okay, 10th department. So how many members are there? Just I'm going to group it, right? 10th department, I'm going to group it. So if you see this, there are 4 employees are there. So out of this 4 employees, 40,000 is the highest one, right? Next highest will be 35,000. Next highest will be 20,000. Next highest will be 12,000. So we have to make this way 40,000, 35,000, 20,000, this one, department ID, and this one. So remember, I have explained a day before yesterday that if I have any over keyword, instead of group by, we have to use partition by. The highlighted color represents it is one partition. Partition based on the department ID, right? Partition based on the department ID. Partition based on the this department ID 20, 30, 40. So within that, I'm just giving the rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Within this department, I'm just doing the ranking. Yes, this is the way we have to do the ranking. Okay, if you come to this sample data now, for each and every account, take the latest 5 transactions. So what is the logic here? For each and every account, latest 5 transactions, like a mini statement in our, we are going for the bank and then we are taking the mini statement, right? Latest 10 transaction or 5 transactions. So how can I take latest 5 transactions for each account or account wise? That means the partition by account number, right? Partition by account number. For each means it's a group by. For each account or account number wise or country wise. So this way, right? So you have to make this way. Account number. Then based on which column we have to do the ranking? Latest 5 transactions. Okay, so each and every transaction will have the unique transaction ID. Each and every transaction will have unique transaction ID. So in this scenario, I will do rank on transaction ID. So rank on transaction ID descending order, then group by, that is partition by account number, a rank less than or equal to 5. So if I take this way, then you can get this one. But here I have to use partition by. So here I do not want to use partition by. So you can try this one. You can try this, create one table like this, and then try this, whether you are able to take based on the query, we can able to see that data or not. Okay. Okay. So now I'll go to employees table here. So based on the employees, I want to rank the employee salary. All right. So I can go with employee salary here. Each and every members are getting salary. Okay. So here select. So you need to select all the columns, right? So I have to select employee. So rank is one of the column we are going to generate. Employee ID, first underscore name, comma, phone number. Okay. So just whatever the column we need, just I'm taking that. Salary, comma, department underscore ID, comma, this one rank of. So rank of over order by salary descending. This is just I'm going to do the ranking. This R and K is nothing but it's alias name. Okay, you can give any name, just I have given R and K from employees table. So if you see this, for each and every record, we will get the rank. So right already, whichever the value you have highest value, the null value will be taken as highest value, right? If you do order by on the salary column. If you do not want null value should be ordered, the rank, and you have to use where salary is not null. Okay, so this way you have to use not null column. So you'll be doing the ranking 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. So why it is 3, 3? So 2 members are getting same salary, 17,000, 17,000. Next salary will be 5, right? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Then you are getting 11. Then 12, 12, 12, 12, 13, 14, then 15, right? So this is what we will get it. This is called rank. So rank here, it is a derived column, right? It's not the column from base table. So that's why we are using this way. Okay. So I will go for dense rank. So just you have to use dense underscore rank. That's it. Dense underscore rank, you'll get the dense rank. So even if it is 3, 3, then you are getting 4, right? The rank is not getting skipped. 10, 10, 10, then you are getting 11. So this is dense rank. I want to go for row number. So for each and every record, based on the salary, I have to order it. So you can go for, row number. Okay, so row number, you can see here, based on the salary, we are getting the row number 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many records are there? 105. For this filter condition, we are getting 105. All the 105 records, you will get it. So even though we are getting same salary, it will be ranked in different order, different way. Okay, different rank will be given. Okay, so I have to take rank based on the department ID. So how can I take rank within the department ID? So the same way here I have to go for partition by, right? So before order by, we have to use the group by, correct? So that's why we have to use partition by the department ID. So partition by department ID, order by. So always use group by before order by, right? So that's why we are using before order by, we are using partition by. Okay, so this way we have to use. If you see this, so 10th department, yes, 1, right? Then 20th department, again it will be ranked 1, 2, based on the highest to least. So we are making descending order, right? Highest salary will be ranked as 1, next highest will be ranked as 2. Then, so these departments are 30th department, it will be one group. So here highest will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are unique salaries. So that's why we are getting within this department, we are getting 6. Then 50th department. Okay. So all this. So we are getting, okay. So in 50th department, there are 45 employees are there. So that's why we are getting 45 rank. Same way we can go for dense rank. But I have to take top 5 salaried employee. Top 5. How can I take top 5 salaried employee? Top 5 members alone I have to take. So out of all the members, I have to take only this top 5, right? So top 5 I have to take. So how can I take top 5? I have to go for, so here can I use where class and, so okay, how can I use top 5 salaried employee? Can I use and R and K less than or equal to 5? Is that fine? Can I use this way? No, I cannot use it. So we cannot use it, right? So if I'm going to use this way, so why we are getting error? Invalid identifier. So why? Because R and K is not a column in the table, right? So whenever you are using where class, it should be a column from the table. So it's not R and K is not a column. Okay, so can I use then completely this one? So this one instead of R and K, can I use this way? So and R and K like this. Is that okay? No, this is also not for window functions are not allowed here. So window function, we cannot use where class in Oracle. So this cannot be done. Okay, but how can I fetch less than or equal to 5? Okay, if you consider this is a table, this select statement is a table, right? If you consider the select statement is a table, then this is one of the column, right? R and K is one of the column. So how can I consider one select statement as a table? As a table, how can I consider? So that means you have to go for inline view, right? So you have to use select star from. So from the table. So this entire query, I'm going to make it like a table. select star from table name, right? This whatever I have selected, it will act as a table. Select star from a table name. You can provide some table here, some A. Okay, you can use some A here. Yeah, you can use some A. A is nothing but this table. Okay, A dot where A dot R and K less than or equal to 5. Yes. Now we can see here. So 5 record. So top 5 salaried employee. A second highest salaried employee. Second highest salaried employee. It means you have to use 2 here, right? Equal to 2. Second highest salaried employee is this particular employee. Okay. So first highest, first 2 highest salaried employee. So like this you have to take. Clear on this? Based on the number, if I'm going to make, this is the way you have to use. Okay. In Teradata, we have the qualify keyword, but in Oracle, we do not have any qualify keyword to filter out the record. Okay, so normally in Teradata, we will use qualify one keyword to filter out the record in the window functions. But here we do not have any qualify functions. So you have to make it like a subquery like this. Okay, so this is nothing but subquery, right? Yesterday we have seen. This is a subquery, multi-row subquery here. Okay, the same way, how can I take highest salaried employee in each department? Highest salaried employee in each department, right? In each department. So I have to take department IDs, partition by, right? Each and every department, highest salaried employee, right? So top salaried employee. Yesterday, we have seen the subqueries, top salaried employee in each department. The same result you should get it. So here also we should get the same result. So you can compare the result set from the rank and then rank all this. So if you look at this particular query, it will be looking like, okay, it's looking like complex, but it's very simple only. So you have to interpret first inner query. Okay. So whatever we have received it, top 5 salaried employee, right? But I want to know which department they are from. Or so their department also, department ID here we have, but their department also I have to print here. So how can I print the department name? Is it possible to print the department name from employees table? No, I cannot make it like a department name, right? If I want to make department name, so how can I make it? So you have to go for join. So how can I do the join here? See, select all the columns from first table. So first table is A table, right? A table, comma, second table, departments. Okay, departments, D. Okay, so where class, where? What is the join condition? A dot department ID. See, if you are using department ID here, make sure that this A table should have department ID in the select statement. Okay, you have to select the data. Otherwise, so if you are not using the select statement, so then this column won't be a column in the table, right? This department ID is not a column in the table. That's a issue you will get it whenever you are using the any column here. That column should be on the select statement. Okay. So A dot department ID equal to D dot department ID. So D is nothing but departments table and rank. So you can get A dot star all the column from the A table, comma. So don't use star in real-time project. Instead of using star, you use all the column names separately. So performance wise, if you are using star here, then if I have huge volume, then it will be performance impact. So I need D dot department name. Okay. So D dot department name here, you can select. Okay. But it's not order, right? It's not in order. So you can go for order by R and K, ascending order. So first highest salaried from this particular department, next highest will be this department, next highest, next highest. So this way you can select it. Okay, select all the columns from the table, from this table, from the queries. Okay, so if you are seeing any queries like this, Okay, just you check what is the inner query we have written, right? So try to execute this inner query separately. So you get the result. Okay, this is act as a here, right? So A, then this will be departments will be D. So you are joining this resultant with the department ID column. So I hope you are clear. So how to write the join? See, join formula is similar. Always select all the columns from first table, comma second table. Even you can go for like inner join, right? So inner join. So if you want to use inner join here, use inner join instead of where, use on. Then here use where. Both are similar. Yes, you should have practiced all this. So now, so this is the way we will do the rank, dense rank, all this. Okay, so try with this one. So you'll get clear idea. So what is this? And yeah, this over keyword also you can try. So for example, you have to take all the employees, their salary. Okay, so all the representative, their salary. So representative name, their salary, and the manager. You can put manager one for all these representative, manager one, and all this representative you can put manager two. And one more column you can give senior manager name for all the representatives. Okay, then you can take the value like this. So this is the way we can take. Okay, so we do have here in the, so I have given top 5 salaried employee all this with the department name. Instead of a dot star, I have selected all the column names like a column name itself. Okay, so here we do have two more function like a lead and lag function. So what is lead and lag function? So sometimes they will ask this type of questions in interview. Okay, so do you know what is lead and lag? All this. See, lead means if they are asking or you are getting any scenario in this way. Say for an example, any record you take, any record, okay, based on any one column, based on any one column. So here normally we'll go for some date column or we'll go for salary column, the numeric column. So I will go for salary column here. So I want to know for this particular employee, okay, for this particular employee or each and every employee, I have to find out who is getting salary more than this employee salary or less than this employee salary. This employee salary is 4,200. I cannot hard code it. So today the employee salary is 4,200. I want to find out who is getting more than this employee salary or who is getting less than this employee salary. Or if you see the higher date, so who has joined before this employee, who has joined after this employee. It means based on the higher date you have to order, but if you're comparing with salary, based on salary you have to order it, right? So I want to know who has joined before this particular employee for each and every employee. So before means lagging, after means leading. Okay, lead, lag, all this. So if you take this scenario, so it's like a similar way we have to do. So I'm selecting all the columns from the table. Okay, select employee ID, first name, email, phone number, whatever the column you want. Just to select the column name. Use the function called lead. So there we have used rank of over, right? Rank of over, rank of over, order by this one. Order by which column? We have to go for higher date or any date, right? Rank on this one. So this way, I want to find out for each and every members who has joined before, who has joined after. Okay. So rank of, instead of rank, we are going for lead function. So I want to know which date and which employee name. Okay. So who has joined before? So how can I find who has joined before? So I have to order it based on the higher date, right? So you'll be ordering. Okay, 107. So where is 107? So you'll be getting somewhere here. 107 here, right? Okay, who has joined before? This particular employee joined before, right? So this particular employee joined after. That means some timestamp might be different. So it's like milliseconds or some timestamp might be different. So that's the way we will make it here. So who has joined before this employee, after this employee? That means we are making, I want to take higher date. Which date? 14/1/2007, right? And who has joined before? James. Or after this particular employee, right? On which date? See, if I want to take the date, you have to take lead date. If I want to take the person name, I have to take lead of first name, lead of employee ID. So any name, any column you can take. So based on this. So this is what you will get it. So after hire date. So you can take this way, after hire date, after hire name, the employee name. So this way I can rename it. For each and every employee, you are getting, okay, so who has hired after this employee? He is the first employee joined in the company on this particular date. After this particular employee. So this employee will be there in the next record. Yes. Then next, this employee will be there in the next record, right? So finally, you will not get null value, you will get it. So because after that, none of them joined. So this is the way. If you are making like a lag function, lag of higher date, so it's opposite way. So first, no one will be there. So he has joined first. No one joined before. Why? Because he joined first, right? The company. So it should be a before hire. Okay. Or prior. I can say this way. So prior to this employee, and I want to know who is getting the salary, all this I want to make, then this way you can take. See, in real-time project or any scenario, if they're asking interview questions, like for each record you want to take, based on any one column, you have to take the before and after record, then you have to go for lead and lag function. Okay, lead of this one, lag of this one. So that's the meaning of lead and lag. So I have given here. So just to go through this, all this, okay? Okay, so if you see this is with statement. So what is this with table? Okay, this table is not available, but sometimes they will write some queries. Okay, so you want to write some ETL logic in the SQL statement. You are joining some 4 or 5 tables or even 10 tables. You want to take the data. So if some 4 tables, you have to do some different 4 tables. You need to give different filter conditions and all the details. So remaining 2 tables, you have to give different conditions, different join condition, all this. See, I cannot go and use all this in the same SQL queries here, right? I cannot use where class as it is. So I'm going to use this with. This with is nothing but like a temporary table. So this with class, say for an example, here I'm using select statement, right? Select employee name as employee name here. DC. So DC is nothing but department count. So what is department count? Is there any table like a department count? No. EMP table is there in the database. We have like EMP table, but department count I do not have directly. So this department count is nothing but it's a derived table here. See here, it's a like a inline views, right? Yes, with the temporary table name as okay, you can put as, and then you can open bracket, you can close bracket. So within this open and close, you can write any queries here. So whatever we are writing here, this will be executed and this will be stored as the table name called DEPT underscore count. So this will be given to this one. Then we are finding it. Then EMPE dot department number, DC dot department number. This DC should have the department number selected. Right, we are selecting the department number, right? Yes. See, this is nothing but, so sometimes in the project, they will be writing some with statement, right? So you'll be using some with statement. Whenever I need some tables, okay, so I will use one more table also here. So DEPT count, EMP count, something like that, okay? So one more table I can write, EMP count as, you can write one more like this. And you can call all the table here, you can join it. So you will not face some performance issue here. And you can go for separate logic for each and every temporary table. This is act like a temporary table. This one we will call it as like the with statement. Okay, sometimes. So instead of with, we can go for this way also. Subqueries we can write. So here we have written subqueries, right? So that's this way we have written the subqueries. So we call it as it's a. This is also temp table only. So this way also you can write. So I have given this statement just to go through all the statement. You will get to know clearly.